Is renovating not your forte and you would rather a property that you can just move in and enjoy? Well, we have the property for you. This 2-bedroom apartment has been meticulously renovated with the highest quality of finishes and fixtures.
Presenting Apartment 8 at 873 Anzac Parade, Maroubra. I'm Stephen Stamoulis.
I'm Paul Spanidakis. Rain and Horn Maroubra, come through and take a look at this beautiful property with us. You must agree what a beautiful property this is. And the three things that I really like about it is its tranquility, being positioned at the rear of the block, the layout and the location, close to all the amenities you require and not far from Sydney's best beaches.
We look forward to seeing you at one of our open homes. For further information, contact us today. Stephen Stamoulis, 0402 442 065.
Paul Spanidakis, 0411 506 007. Rain and Horn Maroubra, we look forward to helping you with your next real estate move.
Hey Paul, let's get back to the game.
Let's go.